Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue faced by Hibernate beginners, the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error. This can be frustrating. But don't worry, we'll walk through the reasons behind this error and, most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. The hibernate.cfg.xml not found error means Hibernate can't locate its configuration file. This file tells Hibernate how to connect to your database. It also tells it how to map your Java objects to database tables. So, without it, Hibernate is lost. There are several reasons why this error pops up. 1. Incorrect file path. The most common reason is simply a wrong file path. Hibernate looks for the configuration file based on where you tell it to look. This location is usually specified in your code or through JVM arguments. Double-check the path in your code. Make sure it exactly matches the file's location in your project. Even a small typo can cause this error. 2. A file not in classpath. Hibernate needs the hibernate.cfg.xml file to be in the classpath. The classpath is where the Java runtime looks for classes and resources. If the file isn't in the classpath, Hibernate won't find it. To fix this, place the hibernate.cfg.xml file in the src/main/resources directory of your project if you're using Maven or Gradle. For other setups, ensure the directory containing the file is included in your classpath settings in your IDE. 3. Typos in file name. This might seem obvious, but typos happen. Ensure the file is actually named hibernate.cfg.xml and not something similar like hibernate.config.xml or hibernate.cfg. Case sensitivity matters too. For incorrect build configuration, if you're using a build tool like Maven or Gradle, the build process might not be correctly including the hibernate.cfg.xml file in the final artifact. Check your pom.xml or build.gradle file. Make sure resources are properly configured to include the configuration file. Sometimes, a clean build and rebuild of your project can resolve this. 5. Relative versus absolute path. When specifying the path in your code, be mindful of relative versus absolute paths. Using a relative path means the path is relative to the current working directory. This can be unreliable, especially when deploying your application. Consider using an absolute path or, better yet, placing the file in the class path and letting Hibernate find it there. To illustrate, let's assume your hibernate.cfg.xml is under /src/main/resources. Your code should either use a classpath resource lookup or an absolute path if the resource directory is included in the class path. Ensure the Hibernate configuration in your code reflects this location. Finally, check your IDE. Sometimes, IDEs can have their own configurations that affect the class path. Make sure your IDE is configured to include the directory containing the configuration file in the class path. These are the main reasons you might face the hibernate.cfg.xml not found error. By systematically checking these points, you should be able to pinpoint the issue and get your Hibernate application running smoothly. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you resolve the hibernate.cfg.xml error. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Your support helps me create more content to help you. Leave a comment below if you have any further questions.